What if I told you the universe doesn't play by the rules we expect? At the smallest scale, particles can be in two places at once, teleport instantly, and even influence each other across galaxies. That's the bizarre, fascinating world of quantum physics, explained simply. 1. What is quantum physics? Quantum physics is the science of the very, very small. It studies how particles like electrons and photons behave. Unlike everyday objects, these tiny particles don't follow the predictable rules of classical physics. Instead, they act in ways that seem random, uncertain, and even contradictory. 2. Wave-particle duality. Take light. For centuries, scientists argued, is it a wave or is it a particle? Quantum physics says it's both. Sometimes light behaves like a continuous wave spreading through space. Other times, it acts like little packets of energy called photons. This wave-particle duality is one of the foundations of quantum mechanics. 3. The uncertainty principle. In the quantum world, you can't know everything about a particle at once. Werner Heisenberg discovered that if you know exactly where a particle is, you can't know how fast it's moving. And if you know how fast it's moving, you can't pin down its exact location. This isn't about bad measuring tools, it's built into the universe itself. 4. Superposition. Here's where things get wild. A particle doesn't just pick one state until it's observed. It can exist in multiple states at the same time, called superposition. Think of Schrödinger's cat. In quantum terms, the cat is both alive and dead until you open the box. It's weird, but experiments show this is how particles actually behave. 5. Entanglement. Now imagine two particles becoming linked or entangled. Even if they're separated by light years, changing one instantly changes the other. Albert Einstein called this spooky action at a distance. Today, entanglement is more than a curiosity. It's the basis for emerging technologies like quantum computers and quantum encryption. 6. Why it matters. You might think quantum physics only lives in science labs, but it's already part of your daily life. Lasers, MRI machines, semiconductors, even the smartphone in your pocket, all rely on quantum mechanics. And as quantum computers advance, they could solve problems far beyond what today's computers can handle. So, quantum physics isn't just strange, it's essential. It shows us that reality is more mysterious and more interconnected than we ever imagined. From superposition to entanglement, the quantum world may be confusing, but explained simply, it's a reminder that the universe is far bigger and far weirder than we think. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more simple breakdowns of the universe's biggest ideas.